Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some heat transfer to this tote bag, which I love. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. It's gonna be for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna iron it. I wanted to make sure it's nice and smooth before we get started. And this is gonna be for Halloween. Look at what I'm adding. It says a bunch of hocus pocus. I cannot wait to add this. I love this drawing, and it's gonna be in glitter. So it's in a black shiny glitter. Make sure when you're adding this canvas to your bag, make sure you have it nice and straight, at least as straight as you can before you go ahead and you press it down. So the good thing with this is you can move it once you lay it onto your bag. You're able to peel it off, not peel it off, but you're able to pick it up and move it around, not like the vinyl. This is very different. Once you're ready to get started, we're going to press it down. So the heat for this is at 330 for 30 seconds, and it's a firm press. The bag is 100% cotton. So we're just going to go ahead and press this down. This bag is going to be for Halloween, and it's going to be for me. I'm going to carry it around because I like to switch the kids' candy once it gets too heavy for them to carry. But look at how cute it's going to come out. I cannot wait to use this for Halloween. I'm going to be carrying this around all month because, you know, one of my favorite holidays is Halloween. Once that's done, the machine will beep, and we're going to go ahead and flip it around, and we're going to press it for another 15 seconds. Those were the instructions. But look at how cool it's already looking. I love it, and I picked it out all in the black because I thought it would be perfect for Halloween. I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to do another 15 in the back, like the instructions say. We're going to add our sheet, heat press sheet, which is a must if you're going to go ahead and do any of these projects. And we're going to bring the time to 15. Once that's ready, we're going to go ahead and press it and wait for those 15. And that's going to go super fast. I love using this easy press. It is amazing. I cannot tell you how fast this is. This is so fast and easy to use. I cannot stop making stuff. Once that's ready, we're going to let it cool down for a little bit before we peel it off. Once it's cool, we're ready to peel it off, and you're going to peel it off gently. So let's go ahead and do that. Look at how gorgeous it looks. Look at all that sparkle. And there you go. You made your first tote bag for Halloween. Look at how adorable that is. I love it. And look at how it shines. It shines better in person than it does through camera, but it is so cute. I cannot wait to carry this around. Now, I decided, since it is plain on the back, that I was going to go ahead and add something to the back as well. I wasn't sure what I wanted until I saw this, and I said, this is perfect for me. And wait until you see it. This decal is so adorable, and it says Basic Witch. I love it, and I made it huge. I made this 7x7. As well as the decal in the back. But look at how adorable this is. Make sure you have it on nice and right. If you need help, go ahead and grab a ruler and measure the top, the corners, the bottoms, the sides. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure it to the handles on the top. Now I want to put it right in the middle. And then when you're ready, go ahead and lay down your transfer sheet, your heat sheet, and then we're going to go ahead and do another 30. With a firm press. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the heat guide in the bottom so you can go ahead and put it on your phone and you have it ready. So when you start your projects, let me tell you, it's super, super helpful. I'm also going to leave the link down to the decals as well as the vinyl. So go ahead and check that out. Plus I have coupons for you, even better. As soon as this is ready, it's going to go ahead and beep. Now we're going to go ahead and flip it around and do another 15. Once that's ready, you lift it. It'll stop blinking. Press it down. And then just hold it for another 15. And then the machine will tell you when to stop. But I love it. This is my first bag that I made with this heat press. Go ahead and turn it around. You're going to let it dry. The instructions are not to peel it off until it's nice and cool. So let's just let that dry. Once it's ready, we're going to go ahead and peel that off. Look at how it glitters. It's so cute. And there you go. I made my first Halloween tote bag, and I hope you guys like it. Look at all that glitter on there. It is adorable. I cannot wait to use it. It came out so pretty. And it glitters, let me tell you, it glitters a ton. So it looks better in person than in picture. And then in the back, it has my witches in the back, which are so popular because of the movie that I love. But look at all that glitter on there. So yeah, go ahead and make one. Let me know if you do make one. Go ahead and tag me. I would love to see your picture on Instagram. My link is down below. And until next time, bye you guys.